Triplet Telepathy Slime Challenge. Oh yeah!
If you're new to our channel, I'm Angelina.
I'm Scarlett.
And I'm Annabella!
And together, we're the Wild Adventure Girls. To stay up to date with our videos, we'd love for you to pound that subscribe button, ring that bell, and smash that like button. And if you do that, you'll officially become part of our Wild Adventure Squad.
If you've done those things, let us know in the comments below.
And you might get a shout out at the end of our next video.
The way this challenge works is there's going to be a divider between us.
And there's going to be multiple rounds where we have to try and guess what the other person is going to choose.
If we get the same ingredient, we get 1 point.
If we don't get the same ingredient, we get no points at all. The winner of this challenge gets to spend a full day at the arcade.
And the losers have to stand by and watch.
Say what? Okay, let's rock this thing. It's kid versus kid time.
Oh yeah, baby, it's time to get slime rock telepathy.
Round 1, and it's time to put the dividers up. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Okay, round 1, and we have to choose our glue. We have pink, gold, or purple. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I got mine. Finally, I got it.
This hurts.
Okay, I got it.
Oh, you're gassy today.
Shit, or you. Excuse me. Okay, it is round 2. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
Glitter.
Yeah.
Gold glitter or like silver chunky glitter? I really don't know.
Glitter party. We're not seeing them. It's like every day we spend time together. Every single. Should I? Get around it.
I feel like Bella got me this way.
For real?
Bella!
She's just legit. Got it all over me.
It is now round 3, and we have to choose between shaving gel or shaving cream.
Woo! Okay, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm pretty sure everybody got the same thing. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so there's sequins and like little pom-poms. Let us know in the comments below whose slimes look the closest. Here's how my slime is looking so far.
Here's my slime.
Next it is round 5. We have to choose between crunchy or diaper polymer, which is used to make cloud slime. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I think I'm gonna do this one. Scarlett, you did the diaper thing, didn't you? That got it off. I think we're on the right track. I think we are.
Girls, what's your favorite slime? Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Butter.
What did you say, Scarlett?
Butter.
What did you say, Scarlett? Bella?
I said fluffy. We all did something different.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. What's your favorite movie? 3, 2, 1.
Black Panther.
What did you say, Scott?
Avengers. Oh, what'd you pick?
I said Jumanji. I said Black Panther.
Now it's time to mix it up.
Okay.
I'm gonna mix mine. Oh, it's very pretty.
Now it's time to mix mine up. I have no idea how this is supposed to turn out. And now we're gonna mix my ingredients. On this one, we have to choose our color, purple or pink.
Ooh.
This one.
Ooh, can get on my hand.
Is it good on mine?
No, mine's very runny.
Now I'm gonna mix mine. Okay, feel color party. Oops. This is like shaving cream. Just shaving cream.
No.
Oh, mine's also
Did
very
you just admit that you put shaving cream in your? You're like, this is just shaving cream. Just shaving cream.
Mix itself. Mine's not mixing very well. I'm shocked. Okay, this is the last round. We
orange.
Okay.
Oh no. I feel like everyone knows what I'm doing. Anyway.
My butt's first.
I'm doing it. I'm sorry.
Magic. Alright, Scarlett. So, let me tell you, is your turning out good or bad?
Yeah, you've been saying that your slime isn't doing good.
Not bad. But you've been saying that your boards are kind of messy.
Oh yeah, it
I need
is.
the whole thing in now.
Oh no. I'm afraid. Oh.
I think everybody knows what I'm doing.
Mixing your slime.
Besides,
Right, right.
What is happening?
ow.
Right. Mine's now becoming a. This is
Mine
not
looks like a
activate.
brain right now.
Mine looks like one too.
Mine looks like a 1-2.
Mine looks like a shredded brain. Now
Alright, finally mine turned into something. Now it's time to reveal our slime journey. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, Annabella! Angelina, you picked crunchy. You didn't pick the.
Nope.
What happened to your hand?
I said I looked like a monster. Nah. So
Scarlett!
So what color
Okay,
did you
what
use?
glue did everyone pick?
I picked the pink.
I picked the purple.
Okay,
Okay,
what
did you
color
pick-
dye? I choose purple.
Purple.
Yeah, I choose purple.
That looks like pink.
No, I swear, I used purple. I swear.
Okay, did you pick pom-poms or glitter?
Glitter.
The sequins.
Yeah.
Did you pick
Silver
or gold?
Silver. Me and Skull are the exact
Be
same.
legit.
Would you pick silver or gold?
Silver.
Here's my slime.
Here's my slime.
Here's my slime.
Now I know why you call it a monster. See, when it separates, it kind of separates and it's kind of like stringy, like cloudy.
Wait, did you guys do activator or did you do
Okay, what did you pick for your activator? Contact lens solution or like the cornstarch?
contact
Lens solution.
I think
Are you serious?
Legit, feel it. Try and
Hold on.
squeeze it. Try and squeeze
The
it.
object was to pick what we were gonna pick.
Here's my slime.
Here's my slime.
And here's my slime. My color is a little bit lighter, but we chose the exact same ingredient.
Watch when I stretch it. Whoa!
Whoa. Here's my slime.
Ooh. Ooh, Bella, get some shaving gel or shaving cream in your hair.
What?
And here's my slime.
Now there's some shout-outs. We want to give a big shout-out to Leslie Gonzalez,
Mega AJ.
Baby Girl Jada, Gusty Gonzalez,
Lily Bloom.
Natty Jimenez.
Angel Edits.
Olga Martinez,
Amanda Wolf.
And Jessica Thomas.
I guess you're watching us play at the arcade.
Ba-boom.
Okay, bye-bye. Thanks for watching our show.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Bye-bye. Now there's some shout-outs. We want to give a big shout-out to Baby Girl Jada.
Lizzie Legolins.
Now there's some shout-outs. We want to give a big shout-out.
I say that.
What?
I'ma keep it